So weather effects module allows you to add different weather effects, different weather conditions to your scene. You might add rain or snow at this time, but there may be more in the future. So once you click add rain, it's gonna add a rain object just above the default position of your camera, like this. But also it has collision, so it will collide with your ceiling. So that's the first reason to carry it outside. So I move my rain object to the outside to be able to see it from the game view. Here you can see how it reacts with your scene. You can take it down, for example. You can move it a little forward. You can do a lot of things with your rain. For example, if I increase the particle size, now it's gonna drop a lot bigger droplets. And if I reduce the opacity, it's gonna go slightly more transparent. And also you can adjust density so that while it does rain, but it uses few droplets so that it's not a heavy rain. This is the example of rain, and you can add snow also. So you can either remove rain or select rain to adjust its settings. You can remove snow, you can adjust its settings, etc. So let's remove rain for now and go to snow settings, and then carry our snow particles outside to where our windows are. There we go, it should be good. So you can see that we have a lot of snow particles here. You can again increase the size, decrease the size, increase the density, decrease the density. You can touch the opacity. A lot of settings. You can adjust these different settings to fit your needs. Obviously, it's gonna show better at night, so I'm gonna just switch to my night settings. There we go. It now shows a lot better at night. There are a few more settings that you can do. You can switch to have a better look at the particles. For example, currently I'm using temporal anti-aliasing, but I don't have to. I can switch to SMAA, which is subpixel morphological anti-aliasing. It's more costly, but it may show better results on your particles. So once you're done with the camera module, you can select your camera and adjust your anti-aliasing accordingly. Obviously, there are a lot of things to consider when doing that, but that's out of our scope for now. So if you want to see better particles, you may be better off using something other than temporal anti-aliasing. So I reduce my particle size, I reduce my density, I increase my density but reduce my opacity, and then I increase my particle size. So here it goes. This is how you control, how you use the weather effects module.